morning, everybody who is subscribed. Today I'm going to be sitting at that desk and making bracelets and keychains that are only blue themed, so maybe a slight variation with some silver gold. They updated iPhone and now I don't know how to flip my camera around. I'm confused. Anyways, I wrapped my presents for Christmas in a blue, white, and gold theme, so I'm just hoping to carry that with my bracelets and keychains today. And maybe make some normal patterns. And maybe learn to crochet. If you'd be interested in seeing a video where I learn to crochet, please let me know in the comments, because I'm trying to learn, but I'm so confused.
Please enjoy this picture of me as I realize I need to learn how to make an animated introduction for my YouTube channel.
First, I'm going to look through my to-dos and see if I have any patterns worth anything to do for this challenge thing. And if I don't, we'll just move on to general patterns. One, it's kind of washed out, but it has a good, you could do gold right here, which I think would look really cool. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take note of that pattern, number 48996. And then we'll keep scrolling. I have no way to hold the camera better, so I'm just holding it. I mean, I guess I could do like any of these realistically. Ooh, I should do an arrowhead. I should do it all blue. I don't even know if I have that much blue. I probably should go to the store. Field trip, anyone? I think I have found my first pattern for today. I have had this in my to-dos for a while, and it's pretty blue. So I think we're gonna go ahead and make this Eeyore keychain because it's adorable, and we don't need a reason here on this channel. Let's go ahead and make this really quick. Hey everyone, somehow I've managed to muster up the colors. My colors are a little different from the pattern they're showing me. I looked at the traditional Eeyore and I'm trying to follow that the best I can. They're kind of similar though. The camera washes them out. This is for the background, of course, for the keychain. This is to outline Eeyore. This is for his nose, because apparently it's yellow. Maybe I should change that. Pink for his nose as well. This is like his nostrils, that's his face. And then pink for like the flowers and his ears, and then of course the white that just goes in there for his eyes and everything. Let's get started. A quick little update. I had to go to work. I'm back. I've been working on this for about an hour. It's 12:50 a.m. I had to find a snack, so I found this bucket of caramel because that's legit the only thing in the house. There is no food here. Shopping day is tomorrow. Back to work.
Okay everybody, I'm doing a voiceover on this cringy little montage because I'm not sure if I should include it or not. Oh, there I go. Licking the caramel, isn't that special? Anyways, this bracelet was quite fun. I rather enjoyed it, and I'm happy I made it. Oh, not the caramel. I probably should not have included this part in the video, but I did. That was a special decision. Anyways.
After an embarrassingly long amount of time, it is now 3:10 a.m. Oh, whoopsies. 3:10 in the morning, and I have finished the keychain. So one down, and I'll be back in the morning to do some more. Good morning, friends. Today is December 22nd. Today is December 22nd. It is 9:50 a.m. I was awake 6 hours and 50 minutes ago to finish that bracelet, and we have finished the keychain. I am loving how it turned out, but we're gonna get back to the desk and get back to work on some bracelets, hopefully a normal pattern this time, because I gotta work on them, because mine's so... Okay everybody, I have just picked a pattern, and I think you're gonna like this one. So let me show you really
There
quick.
it is, with it being December and winter. I thought this one was perfect, and there's my colors. This is going to be the overall background because I have a lot of it. That's the only reason. The white, of course, for the snow, and then, of course, this one for the house and the trees. Hopefully I have enough. I mean, it'll be fine. Famous last words, guys. It'll be fine. And then, of course, the gray. So I'm going to get started. Let's go. I really hope we can tell what this is when I'm finished making it, because it looks a little dark, but the pattern's a little dark. Not that dark. Also, I hope I don't run out of blue thread, because this is looking a little sketchy, not good. Oh well. I hope I don't mess this up, and we can tell what it is. The pattern's a little dark, but these colors kind of blend together, so that's not good. Oh well. Also, we're looking pretty good on blue thread. Maybe. I still have like 30 or 40 rows left, so guess we'll find out. Okay, everyone, after literally probably about half an hour of searching, I have chosen this pattern. So let's do something with it, I guess. Okay, friends, this is the colors for the normal pattern setup. It's gonna be kind of a beach theme. Unfortunately, I didn't have the perfect brown, but I think it looks pretty good, and we have a sparkly dark blue, so that'll be interesting. Let's get started. Okay, everybody, I have just finished all of these 3 out of the 4 that I think we're gonna make for this video. We've got Eeyore, we've got this bracelet, which I think I might have forgotten to film something for, which is my fault, but it took a long time to make, and it took me even longer to start it because I can't read patterns that great. But then we have this beautiful keychain, which I'm going to end up giving to my mom because she said she really liked it. So now I'm going to pick another pattern. I'm going to make it. Hopefully I'll film something this time, and then this video will be over. Thank you for watching so far. Let's make one more thing. Let's go. One of the patterns I'm thinking of making is this little halo kitty. I think it's pretty cute. I'm gonna keep looking and see if there's anything better. Thinking I would also maybe like to do a blue gradient diamond kind of. This is a gradient arrow, chevron, whatever. A blue gradient with this pattern. But I don't know if I have colors similar enough to make that look cool. So maybe not. I'm gonna keep looking. Okay, everybody, it is the worst YouTuber ever because it's been a few days and I'm just now getting started on the angel or halo cat. Whoa, my throat pattern that I started like 2 days ago. So we're gonna finish this up today and then maybe make one more bracelet if we're feeling it. But yeah, let's get started. Before I end the video, I wanted to show you guys everything that I made all together. The light is a little messed up, but we made this beautiful Eeyore keychain, the Halo Cat bracelet, this normal pattern, which I was surprised that I actually finished, and then of course this log pattern. I wanted to say thank you so much for watching if you stayed tuned for the whole video, and consider subscribing. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.
Hey everybody, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it, enjoyed seeing what I make, and I hope it inspires you to maybe make something yourself. Make sure to tune in for next time's video if you feel like it, and have a wonderful day.